down, and it is what it is. You know, we're facing a global crisis and we've just got to get on with it. My big concern though is our tamariki, and I think, you know, they are showing signs of fatigue, and you know, we've moved into this new world that is level 3 and or about to, but you know what, I'm going to keep my tamariki home and I'm going to keep them here because I want them to be safe. So our next lesson, we're going to learn something that they will just take into the future. Morearea, well, it's not morearea, but it doesn't really matter. School starts when I start. So today we are going to learn a very important lesson, and that is how to PPE.
What does that mean?
Oh, it's P. Protective.
It means personal protective equipment.
Kaupare, personal protective equipment. Yes, that is what it is, tamariki ma. I knew that. Okay, so we will be making really important tools for life. Not just now, for life. Okay, so what you need is a number of items to create personal protective equipment. Let's go. I know we shouldn't, but hey, I've seen it, you know, and it is kind of effective. It's ladies' time, but if you are desperate. Okay, another one is the old spongy sponge dishwash cloth. Tie some string on. Okay, an easy one is get your husband's boxes.
If you have anything lying around, like bandanas from like colour days or anything like that, you can use them for around your mouth. So if you have any Sprite bottles or any bottles in general like these, you can use them for face masks. If you have Bright home, this is the good old mums. So you cut in the middle, and then you go like this. So you just cut a hole in the middle, and then you get tape or string, and then you just wrap it around. So this is what it looks like.
Okay, tamariki ma, that was PPE.